Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And today we're going to go over Digital Wealth Pros. And we're going to talk about the different levels that they have. But not only that, we're going to talk about the call center agents, because this is very important and one of the most important parts of the puzzle to actually making sure that this business works for you. So with Digital Wealth Pros, it is a work from home online opportunity where you're able to collect $200, $400, and $800 payouts directly to your payment of choice. So what I want to show you guys is, as of yesterday, I had $975 coming from this opportunity. I'm going to go ahead and hit this refresh button so that you guys can see this in real time. We have, again, $975 here for yesterday. So it was a pretty good day. And I have $16,000 available to pay out. And what I'm noticing is that a lot of people are interested, but they're calling the 1-800 number to actually get signed up and to see how the call center agents handle this business opportunity for their signups. So this is an automated system that generates $200, $400, and $800 payments on autopilot, where 80% of the work is being done for you. This opportunity includes the traffic. It includes the call center agents to close the deals for you. And they work Monday through Saturday, making sure that they can answer any questions that you may have. So yes, it is a proven system. They have tested ad campaigns. They have a digital library. The payments go directly to you, so there's no middleman that's handling your payments. And there's also much more. You're going to have a ton of resources available to you when you become a member. So with these three levels, there is also an admin fee. The admin fee is a one-time payment. This is for your membership site, for them to set up your back office, and not only that, for you to be able to enter your information for your PayPal, Stripe, your Zelle, Venmo, or Cash App information. Not only that, you're paying the admin fee because now you have access to the call center agents to do most of the work for you. So here, if you click on the link below, you'll see the different levels that's available. You will see the bonuses by clicking here on this see bonuses button right here. And then if you want to get started, you will just hit this button and make the payment. Now, what we have here is the call center number. It's a 1-800 number. You leave your name, your number, and the ID number of the person that invited you. This is my ID number here. This is included on everyone's website, their ID number. A person cannot sign up without an ID number. So you're going to call in with the ID number. And when you leave this information, they will call you back, send you an email for you to pay your admin fee. Once you pay your admin fee, you're going to set up your back office and then start driving the traffic. Now, you can use free traffic or paid traffic of your choice. Again, they do have ad campaigns. We also have free traffic options. And then they do have some information for solo ad providers, along with some other affordable traffic that you can start utilizing as soon as you get started with the system. Now, everyone does not receive the same information in the back office. Depending on what level you come in at, depends on what's included in your digital wealth products, okay? So each product level has different products. Also, each product level has different bonuses. For the $400 and $800 bonus, this does come with traffic. For the $200 level, you get the reseller license and some additional bonuses, plus the traffic sources that you can use on your own. Again, these are all one-time payments. If you decide to come in at the $400 level, you will have access to everything that's a part of the $400 level and also the $200 level. We have a webinar that's coming up this Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to be a part of that webinar and get more information, you can do so by clicking on the description below. We look forward to having you there and also having you a part of the team. I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video and have a great day.